Guys, welcome to PM2s with Clement Umoh. Today class we're going to go straight into practical. Basically, this is a project that I want us to duplicate. Do you understand? So this is a Gantt chart. This is a one-bedroom electrical installation of this one-bedroom apartment for this project. So this is the Gantt chart. This is the resource sheet. So I've assigned every individual resource, every material resource, a site cost. Okay, I have cost here, and inspector, certified inspector, that's the cost. I did put the price here. Anyways, I've put the price at my resource pool. Let me show you my resource pool. So this is my resource pool here. As you can see, you have to click here. I've assigned someone. 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 Basically, if you look at this place on the Gantt chart, you can see that every individual, every task has been assigned to a particular individual, and it's something that I think we should practicalize again. It's something that I think we should all do together so that you guys can understand the process and how a Gantt chart works. Do you understand? Okay, so I think that's about the smash and resource sheet. Let's go into our team planner. This is our team planner. This is how our team planner is look like. Okay, now if we have to go to our report, then we go to our report, look at the cost overview. This is how our cost overview will look like. You understand? We're going to practicalize everything that is shown here, and resource overview. These are the different resource overview. What our manager is, our electrical engineer, our senior electricians, you guys work more. Labor ourselves. So our labor never work anything. So we need to assign something to our labor. So from this particular resource overview, you can know who is working and who is not working. So the electrician has 420 hours, while procurement officer not close to 40 hours. Do you understand? Work status. This is our work status. Laborers still nothing. So this is how many this is the start date and the finish days and the remaining hours for them to work. So basically, each electrician or each resource individual has 8 hours in a day, or more than 8 hours. 8 hours in a day, basically. So that's on our report. Let's go to our progress. Critical tasks. These are critical tasks. Alright, basically that this is basically all this. So we're going to try and particularize everything that we are seeing here. If we have to go to our cost entry, this is how much we spent so far. Do you understand? This is how much we spent so far. Total cost is $24,000. Do you understand? This is how much we spent so far. Yeah, basically that. Alright, I don't want to bore you guys with this other information, so let's go straight to practical. You understand? So I'm going to save this file. That has already been saved. I'm going to create a new blank sheet. Alright, this is a new blank sheet, and this is the project. This is the project we're going to use for this particular. For what I actually showed initially, this is the project this is the activities we're doing. Yeah, or the work package that we're going to use to execute that particular project. Alright guys.